suffering with elbow pain, whether it be on the lateral aspect or the medial aspect of the elbow, stay tuned. This video is for you. Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Nick Circolone. I am so excited to be here as always. I am a board certified chiropractic orthopedist, and today I'm going to be giving you some stretches that will help decrease your elbow pain, whether it be lateral or medial. Doesn't matter. We're going to do a couple of exercises. These are just stretches. You can do them standing up. You can do them sitting at your desk. It doesn't matter. There's only several of them. Watch as I do these. I guarantee it'll make that elbow pain decrease and feel better. Personally, I'm suffering with lateral epicondylitis. I did it while I was working out. I injured my elbow. I'm doing these exercises and it's feeling much, much better. Now, sometimes it's not the elbow. If you've seen any of my videos before, we talked about the neck and the shoulder being implicated in elbow pain. So you can go back and watch those. But don't forget to subscribe, to like, hit that notification button, leave us comments. We really appreciate them. Well, let's get started. So the first exercise is extension of the wrist. So we're pulling the wrist back like this. Now you can give it a little bit of pressure and pull back. If you start feeling too much pain when you're doing this, stop. Just bring it to this point here. Now, I pull mine back. As I'm pulling mine back, I'm feeling that tension in here. The other exercise is for the medial aspect. It's going down this way. We're pulling it down, and I'm pulling back like this. As I pull back, I'm feeling pain and tension in that area. I don't want to go so far whereas it hurts. So what we want to do, we have extension of our wrist is one. Number two is flexion of the wrist. These two exercises are really helpful in decreasing the tension because there's a lot of tension in this forearm. As we stretch these muscles, we get movement in there. They start to be more pliable, taking the pressure off, taking away some of the pain. Another thing that we want to do is we want to make fists like this. Squeeze your fist, and you want to open and extend just a little bit and spread your fingers. So now watch me. We don't want to extend it all the way like this. We're going to squeeze. We're going to open up our fingers and lift up slightly for about maybe 30 degrees. Squeeze in a neutral position, extend it, and open and stretch those fingers out. I would do probably anywhere from 5 to 10 reps on each arm. Now, I'm saying each arm because even if your good arm is not hurting, you still want to do it on both. You want to stretch both those forearms as much as you possibly can. The last one we're going to talk about is pronation and supination. This is supination with the palms up, pronation is with our palms down. I hold my arms at 90 degrees and I roll up as far as I can. So looks like I'm going to hold something in my hands and go down. What I'm doing is I'm forcing myself to go into that palms down position, and I'm forcing myself to go up like this. Now, if you do these exercises on a regular basis, it will decrease your pain in your elbows. Plus, it'll actually start stretching the muscles so you're less chance of having injury later on. When you're done these exercises, I recommend that you use ice following it to cool that down. Do not use heat on it because it's already inflamed. We don't want to inflame it anymore. You want to use ice to decrease that inflammation. Guys, it's been great hanging out with you. I love you. Stay tuned. We'll see you next week.